Okay, I'm on the last bit of painting. This is one more closet door and the 4 cabinet doors that go in the bedroom. These are, the top of them is primed, the bottom is not, or the inside is not. And I just cleaned out my can of primer that I like so much with just getting the top done. I do have oil-based primer, but the thought of trying to stir that and get that all mixed, not too inviting or enticing to me. So what I'm going to do is the top of these will get 1 coat of paint and the bottom or the inside will get 2. I know that works because I did not prime the outside of the bathroom door. And that's when I learned that priming is probably a good thing because the bathroom door did take 2 coats of paint, but it's nicely covered. I figured the primer is a little bit cheaper than the paint. So opened up my can of paint and I should have plenty to do 1 coat on the top and 2 coats on the inside. So that's my plan. That's what's going to happen. I'll take you inside, show you what's done on the inside now.